Good evening. I have a reservation for tonight.
Good evening. May I have your booking reference, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Sure.
I'm sorry, but I can't find any reservation under this reference number.
Really? That's strange. I booked it online this morning.
Do you have a confirmation email or message?
Yes, I do. Let me show you.
Thank you. May I also have your last name, please?
Turner.
All right, let me check again by name.
So, is it there now?
I'm really sorry, but there is still no booking showing in our system.
But the payment was successful. I already paid for 3 nights.
I understand. Please don't worry. We will sort this out.
Is there any room available right now?
Yes, we still have a few rooms available.
Can I get one at the same rate as my booking?
Of course, we will match the same price for you.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Please fill out this short check-in form, and I'll prepare your room key.
Good afternoon. Is this the ticket and reservations desk?
Good afternoon. Yes. How may I help you?
I need to book a flight to Toronto today.
Certainly. Let me check today's flights.
Sure.
There is a direct flight at 6:15 p.m. Is there a seat available in economy class? Yes, seats are available.
Great. Please book one seat.
May I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any checked baggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
All right. How would you like to pay, card or cash?
Card, please.
You can tap your card here.
Done?
Thank you. Your ticket is confirmed. Here is your boarding pass.
Which gate do I go to?
Gate B12. Boarding begins 45 minutes before departure.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight. Excuse me.
Yes. How can I help you?
I'm sorry, but my food is cold.
Oh, I apologize for that. Which dish did you order?
The grilled chicken with vegetables.
I see. Did it arrive cold, or did it get cold while you were eating?
It arrived cold. I tasted it as soon as it came.
I understand. Would you like us to heat it up or prepare a fresh one?
I would prefer a fresh one, please.
Of course. We'll make a new dish for you right away.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. It will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
And once again, we're very sorry for the inconvenience. Hi there. Sorry to bother you. Is this your first time here?
Yes, I just moved to the city a few days ago.
Oh, really? Welcome. Where did you move from?
I came from Italy.
Nice. How are you finding life here so far?
It's good. The city is beautiful, but everything feels new to me.
I understand. It takes a little time to settle in.
Yes, that's true. I'm still learning my way around.
If you need any help, feel free to ask.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
No problem. Are you staying nearby?
Yes, I live just 2 streets away.
That's great. Maybe we can grab a coffee sometime.
I'd like that. It would be nice to have a friend here.
Absolutely. See you around then.
See you soon. Hi, sorry to bother you. Is this platform 6?
No, this is platform 8.
Seriously? Oh, no. My train to city center is in a few minutes.
Which train are you taking?
The 4:20 train to city center.
Then you're on the wrong platform. You need platform 6.
Where is that?
Just go down these stairs and turn left. You'll see the signs.
Do you think I still have time?
Yes, if you hurry, you won't miss it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Good luck. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. You must be the new team member.
Yes, I just joined today. My name is David Carter.
Welcome, David. Which department are you joining?
I'm joining the marketing team.
That's great. Have you worked in marketing before?
Yes, I worked for 2 years in a digital agency.
Oh, that's useful experience. You'll fit in quickly here.
Thank you. I'm really excited to learn and contribute.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a 20-minute walk from here.
That's perfect. No long commute.
Exactly. I'm looking forward to working with everyone.
We're happy to have you on the team. Welcome aboard.
Thanks so much.
Hello, is this room service?
Yes, good evening. How can I help you?
I'd like to order dinner to my room, please.
Certainly. May I have your room number?
Room for 12.
Thank you. What would you like to order?
What's available tonight?
We have grilled salmon, pasta, chicken curry, and vegetable soup.
I'll have the pasta with garlic bread, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of sparkling water.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's all. How long will it take?
Around 25 minutes.
Perfect. Please charge it to my room.
Of course, your order will arrive shortly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Would you like to see the menu?
No, thank you. I just want a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it black or with milk?
With milk, please.
All right. Do you prefer hot or ice?
Hot, please. Could you make it a cappuccino?
Of course. Would you like sugar or sweetener?
Just 1 spoon of sugar, please.
Would you like anything to eat with your coffee?
No, just the coffee for now.
No problem. Would you like it here or to take away?
I'll have it here.
All right. That will be $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please take a seat. We'll bring it to your table shortly.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help?
My phone battery just died. Do you have a charger?
What kind of phone do you have?
An iPhone.
I think I have one. Let me check my bag.
Thank you. That would be great.
Here it is. You can use it for a few minutes.
Thanks a lot. I just need to send one quick message.
No worries. You can plug it in over there.
Perfect. I really appreciate your help.
It's okay. I've been in that situation many times.
Yeah, it always happens when you need your phone the most.
True. Just make sure to charge it fully next time.
I will. Thanks again for saving me.
Anytime. Excuse me, ma'am, do you have a moment?
Yes, of course. What is it?
I wanted to ask if you could arrange an extra class for us this week.
An extra class for which subject?
For English grammar, please. Some of us still find tenses confusing.
I see. That's a good idea. When are you all free?
We're free on Friday afternoon.
All right, I'll check the schedule and confirm it tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. That would really help us prepare for the test.
You're welcome. I appreciate that you're taking your studies seriously.
We just want to make sure we understand everything.
That's the right attitude. I'll let you know about the extra class soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Keep up the good work. Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm a bit nervous, to be honest.
That's all right. Everyone feels that way before an interview.
Thank you. This is actually my first job interview.
No problem. Just relax and be yourself. Tell me a little about your background.
I recently graduated with a degree in business administration.
That's great. Why do you want to work with our company?
Because I admire the way your company supports young professionals and values teamwork.
That's nice to hear. What are your strengths?
I'm hardworking, organized, and eager to learn.
Excellent. We'll contact you soon after reviewing all applications.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Have a great day.